May award pala yun.
Presented this 31st day of July 2024 at Tinungan Elementary School, Barangay Tinungan, Isabela Negros Occidental. Signed by our school head, Adora A. Williams. So may I request again, Sir Danilo L. Ismani to give the certificate of appreciation to Rafael Atienza. Oh, okay, wag may palakpakanta. Mr. Rafael Atienza of the Last Blood. Thank you so much. So this time, to introduce to us our guest speaker for this morning, may we call on Ma'am Sharon Faro, Grade 5, Section 3 Advisor.
So ito, nabigyan tayo ng certificate dahil dun sa ginawa natin pamimigay ng school supplies dun sa Canlupa Primary School. Tapos ito, binigyan tayo ng iPhone. Joke lang. Tuwalya yan, tuwalya.
Okay, once again, let's give them a round of applause to our Grade 2 female.
So, Nutrition Day ngayon.